Special product, square of binomial. We have x squared plus y squared. So the square is you multiply the parenthesis twice, right? X plus y times x plus y. And then you FOIL that. You have x times x, x squared, x times y. So x times x, x times y, plus xy. And then y times x, y times y. So y times x plus xy or yx, and then plus y times y, which is y squared. So therefore, we will do one line. For this square of binomial, we write x plus y squared. So that is equals to x squared. Xy plus itself is 2xy, and then plus y squared. In some cases, they write a plus b squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Some textbooks use a and b instead of x and y. And the next one, what if I change that to a minus? X minus y squared, that is x minus y, times x minus y. You FOIL that, x times x, x squared, x times y, this x times y, so that is minus xy, also minus yx, and then y times y, they are both minus, so minus minus, you get a plus y squared. So when people write this formula, they write x minus y squared equals to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Some textbook use a and b, so they will just write a minus b squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, this is a square. All right, so we have two special product, one for plus and then one for minus. All right, let's use that. So moving on to some examples. So let's say I have x minus 5. Okay, start using a pen. X minus 5 square. So that is a square, right? So which is x square, and then plus 2ab. I'm looking at here right now. A square plus 2ab. So that is plus 2 times a times b, and then plus b square. You can just set this up. You know what? We do this. A square, right? So you can do a square plus 2ab plus b square. And then oh, sorry, it's a minus, huh? It's a minus. We are following this. It's a minus. A square minus 2ab plus b square. A is x, b is 5, right? So you match this to x, you match this to a 5, and then what do we do? So this is a x, this is a x 5, this is a 5. So that means you get x squared minus 10x plus 25. So if you do the FOIL in your mind, so you have x times x, that is a x squared, and then you have a minus 5x, you have a minus 5, you have a minus 10x, and then a negative 5, you have a 25. Like if you do this in your mind, if you expand it like that, and then do the FOIL in your mind, it is not hard to do. With some practice with the FOIL method, I expect you to be able to do it. How about a minus 3b? How about this? So this one we are using that, the purple one. So that will be the a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right? A is just a, and then b is 3b. All right, so this is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, just like fill in the blanks. So you have a squared minus 6ab and then plus 9b squared. You can box this, so that will be your final answer. Let's try another one. How about I'm going to do 2x minus 4y and then square, and I'm going to add some number in front. How about put a negative 3 in front? So this time we are going to write the negative 3 and then completely ignore that. We will do the special product inside the square bracket. It's a minus. Minus, we are using the b, right? So we are using this. We are using a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so set that up. A square minus 2ab and then plus b square. Oops, forgot the square. What is a? A is 2, b is 4y. This is my a, this is my b. And then you just fill in the blanks. Okay, so fill in the blanks. Let me erase that. So this is a square. This is my a. 2ab. This is my a. This is my b. And then b square. There we go. Clean that up. Negative 3. You have a 4x square minus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. You have a 16xy. And then plus 4 times 4 is 16. Y times y is square. Remember, they both share the square. And then you distribute the negative 3. So negative 3 times 4. And then negative 3 times minus 16. And then negative 3 times 16. All right, what is that equal to? So this is a negative 12x squared. You have a minus minus. Then you get a plus. This is a 8, 4 plus, 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have a 48xy. And then minus plus, you have a minus 48y squared. Nothing else can be simplified. And then I will box that as my final answer. I prefer to do the minus because the plus is to me is pretty simple. I don't like the plus because the plus you will just do all plus. Okay, let's do some plus. So before we do it, I'm going to like duplicate this. I'm going to like duplicate and then move this down so I can use that as my reference. Okay, let's do some plus, shall we? How about x plus 8 squared? What is that equal to? So this is a squared plus 2ab and then plus b squared, right? So a is equals to x and then b is equals to 8. Fill in the blanks. X squared, a, b. Oh, b squared is not supposed to be a b squared. This is like an 8. Look how clean that is. So this is a x squared plus 16. X plus 64. There we go. How about 2y plus 3z square? You can pause the video at this moment and then just do the work by yourself, and then you resume to the video to check your work. This is a square plus 2ab and then plus b square. So that will be a. Can I use this to help me? So this is a, this is a b, right? So this is a, b. This is a b. Fill in the blanks. You have a 2y, 3z, and then a 3z. Simple. So 4y squared. 2 times 3 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12yz. Square 3, 9. Square z, you have a z square. That's how easy it is. Let's try one more. What should we try? How about negative 2 minus y squared? So that is a squared plus 2ab and then plus b squared. What is a equals to? Oh, this one I should use a plus, right? Because we are looking at the plus. I should use a plus. So that one, a is equals to negative 2, and then b is equals to y, right? So this one, a is equals to negative 2. This will be a negative 2, and then b is equals to y, and then this is, I keep writing the b square, y square. All right, that will be a 4 minus 4y plus y square. Ta-da! Alright, so that is the end of this video, and then in the next video, I will show you more special product problems. Alright, I will see you all in there.